Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Panama City, Panama, and I'm gonna walk to town, and it is a haul. I think it's like 3.5 miles if you decide to walk it, but I'll see what the shuttles look like and everything else, but let me show you what we're looking at. So this is where it starts. This is the Island Princess, my ship, and there's the town, the city. Do you see it way, 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 way over there? So you have to get off the boat and walk. But I think somebody said there's a shuttle, somebody said there wasn't, so I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out how this goes. So I'm just walking off. And this is the receiving area.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how you doing? Welcome to Panama.
Thank you.
You been here before?
Never.
Well,
I'm excited.
wonderful and spectacular staying here.
How far is the walk all the way around to the city?
Walk around is very far. If you get out there walking through the terminal, go towards left, and then you're going to be to the main street, which is Amador, Causeway of Amador.
Okay.
Then to the right-hand side, if you still want to like walk it out, you can get a scooter or something that can take you all the way down to the very beginning of the causeway.
Okay.
You know, otherwise you can take a Uber. If you have your application of Uber, you can request it,
Okay.
and they're gonna pick you up here.
There's no shuttle
I don't know if the bus,
or the ship booked one.
if the ship contact or hire a shuttle for y'all.
Yeah. Your English is outstanding.
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
You rock. Thank you so much. Be safe. So as he said, you can go up here and go left and get a scooter and take a scooter, but there's the Princess cruise ship and all that stuff. And then this looks like the terminal itself. So it really is. I just was wanting to show you what we're looking at when you come into Panama City on a cruise ship, and how far it is and what it takes to get around and get to the city. I have a dentist appointment today. Good morning. Hola. And so this is where the ship docks at, and so you can see here, this is the main terminal here, but if you look over there, that's the walkway way over there. And so it's gonna be quite the haul, I think, if you decide to walk it. I mean, I guess I could do a scooter, I guess I could do an Uber and get a little closer to town. Good morning. And I bought a SIM card, an eSIM, so that I'll have communication in the city, so that I can do an Uber, so that I can use my map, so that I can do all that. It was an Aerolo SIM card, and it was like $9, and it's good for 7 days. So it should work all the way through the Panama Canal and here in Panama City. And again, you have to get out here, go out to there, and then do the causeway walk. And you can see the start of the city way over there. Oh my gosh, it's going to be quite the endeavor. Thank you. Muchas gracias. So, the terminal's brand new. I think they just opened it, I think in the last year, maybe a year and a half. No clue. But it's gorgeous. And it is quite the big building. I wonder how many ships they can get to port here at one time. Anyway, so this is what I'm doing. Here's immigration. And that looks looks like a dead end, but I'm going to follow these people. So I'm number 3 in the group. Oh, there's exit. Salida. Oh, and this is where you get back on. You go through the X-Mayor machines. Oh, and then here's all the tour bus shuttles out here. Wow. It really is a gorgeous building. Well done, Panama. Good morning. How you doing? Hola. Are you guys going to the city?
Yeah.
Are you doing an Uber or
Yeah, I'm gonna get Uber to Mayflower. It'd be easier to go there first.
Mayflower?
Yeah, the exhibition. Not the exhibition, the visitor center.
Oh, the visitor center. Right on, right on.
But if I go into town, it's gonna be too early, isn't it?
Probably. What a great port. This is wonderful. I guess it's all brand new. It's wonderful. Look at this. It's gorgeous.
They don't have any information center or nothing.
They don't have anything here. How you doing? What's the best way to get to town? Uber or shuttle? Uber. How much is it? Huh? Tour, no tour. Uber. Okay. Thank you. Gracias. So this way for Uber.
Uber outside or?